Hello everyone. Welcome to LearnPress tutorial videos for LearnPress. In this video, I'm gonna talking about how to use Announcement Premium add-on for LearnPress. With this add-on, the instructors can create notifications, updates, and send emails to the students who taking the courses. And of course, before using the add-on, you need to upload it on the Plugins tab and then install and activate. Now, your add-on is ready for you. To create any announcement for the course, simply go to LearnPress, Courses, and then choose the course you want to create announcement. Go to Course Setting. Choose Tab Announcements. Here, you can see empty boxes to fill all the information. Title of announcement, content of announcement. You also have options of sending email to enrolled students or not, and display the comments or not. Besides, you can create announcement for many other courses by clicking Multi-Courses. Search and tick on the course you want to send announcement with. Clicking Post. The notification will be recorded. Then if you want to send this new announcement for all students of the course, please click the Send Mail button here. Moreover, this add-on also allows institutors to send notification email through an email system such as SendGrid or MailChimp. In this tutorial, I will use SendGrid. And of course, you have to download, install an active SendGrid plugin in your dashboard. Then, when SendGrid is ready, go to Settings, SendGrid, and add your API key. Fill in the mail settings and update. If you want to customize the announcement email template, please go to LearnPress, Settings, Emails, Announcement. Click Enable and edit the template. For example, like I am doing now. Click Save Settings. But the problem is, when you click to course single pages, you cannot see where is your announcement. Simply go to Page, Customize. Click to Courses, Single Course, and Enable to View Announcement tab. Publish and close the setting. From now, whenever you have any new announcement, it will be shown at the course page. The students of the course would receive an email about this notification via their email registered. Well, that's all about our new add-on announcement for LearnPress. Please like and subscribe if this video is useful for you, and if you want to get more tutorial videos from us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial videos.